Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. This week at Storytime, we talked about camping, going to camp and camping out. Some people really love camping, and in Florida, you can do it almost year round. So the craft that I have for everyone to make is this cool campsite. Yeah, so what you will get when you come by the library to pick up your supplies, you will of course get this black sheet of construction paper. You will get this template that has all of your camping things on it. So what you'll do is you'll color each of these in with your handy dandy box of crayons, and after you've colored them in, you will cut them all out. This, you got it, is your tent. So what I did is I found the spot where I wanted to set up my tent, and after I cut out my triangle, I cut a small little line right here so you could fold that back, and that is where you go inside your tent. And you've got your campfire and of course the stars and the moon, and it looks like this friendly bear wants to come say hello while you're camping. So that's what you'll get when you come by to either do curbside or come into the library to pick up your supplies. So of course, again, you will need your handy dandy box of crayons, your scissors, and a glue stick so that you can put these on your construction paper and set it up however you like. I hope that you have so much fun making this crafting campsite, and we will see you again next week. Bye.